How to write a research paper, Part 4. Before starting, I remind you of subscribing my videos. In this video, we discuss several points. Here are the points. 1. Write the title. 2. Write the table of contents. 3. Write the abstract. 4. Write the introduction. 5. Write the body or discussion. 6. Write the conclusion. 7. Write the reference. 8. Write the acknowledgement. And 9. Summary. Write the title. Once you chose the topic and your supervisor accepted it, write it in a brief and grammatically sound way. You can write your title in just one part or in two parts, a title with a colon and a subtitle. Example 1. The importance of family ties, one-part title. Example 2. It is just a painting when art matters, two-part title. Note 1. Capitalize all major words of the title and subtitle. See examples of different titles on the internet. Note 2. Make sure your title is between 5 to 15 words. It means that your title should not be too short or too long. See examples of titles on the internet. Note 3. For writing the title page, follow the university cliché and ask for your supervisor's consultation. You can also find many examples of title pages on the internet. Write the table of contents. Table of contents should appear after the title page. The table of content is an organized list of the chapters and major sections of your paper. Table of contents helps readers to see the organization of your paper and choose sections they look for in your research. Your table of content lists all the main sections of your paper with the related page numbers. It should be appropriately formatted. You can find examples of table of contents on the internet. Write the abstract. An abstract should not exceed 200 words. In your abstract, you describe the whole research paper in a concise way, highlighting important points of your research. As long as an abstract is a summary of your whole paper, write it when you finish writing your paper. Under your abstract, you must write a short list of keywords. Your keywords are important concepts of your paper. Find and see sample abstracts on the internet for an author view of an abstract. Write the introduction. The introduction should describe the question or the problem of your paper. You can express the meaning of important terms of your paper in the introduction. In introduction, you also explain the aim of your paper and describe your paper briefly. You can write your thesis statement as the last paragraph of your introduction. The length of your introduction depends on your paper's length. For a 5-page essay, the introduction is about half a page, and for a 40-page paper, your introduction can be several pages. Write the body or discussion. This part of your paper is divided to different sections. Now you can use your outline to write this section. Use your outline to write this major section in an easy way. The information you have already collected and divided to different sections are written in this section. In each section, your ideas are divided to different paragraphs. You can write headings for different sections of your discussion following the outline you have written before. To support your ideas, you include different quotations. Do not forget to include the full name of the author of quotation, the year, quotation mark, and the page or paragraph number. See examples of quotations on the internet. Note that when you write a paper, you should format your research paper according to standard styles. There are two major styles for formatting English papers. APA style, which stands for American Psychological Association, and MLA style, which stands for Modern Language Association. MLA style is mostly used for formatting the arts and humanities papers. Choose the style of how to write the quotations and how to format your whole paper, including references. Write the conclusion. The conclusion closes your paper, so it must be stated clearly. In conclusion, you restate your topic and its importance. You also restate your thesis and summarize what you have achieved in your paper. Do not just restate the information or present new information in your conclusion. A conclusion should be 2 to 3 pages in length. Write the reference. A reference is a list of papers, books, and other bibliographic elements that have been referred to throughout the paper. You must list your references alphabetically. Two major reference guidelines are APA and MLA systems of formatting papers. For referencing your sources, choose one of those systems. Then you can use the internet about how to format your references. For example, you can search how to write a reference in MLA system. You can ask your supervisor to help you. Write the acknowledgement. By acknowledgement, you thank all the people who have helped you in writing your research paper. First, write the name of all the people you wish to thank and organize them according to the degree of their assistance. Find and read several sample acknowledgements on the internet and write a fine acknowledgement. Summary of what we learned in this video. Now you have learned how to write different sections of your research paper. First, you write a title which is not too long or too short. Then you write the table of contents in a correct format. It is better to postpone writing your abstract to when you finish writing your paper, because an abstract is a summary of the whole paper. In introduction, you describe your paper and explain the aim of your paper. In body or discussion, you discuss your ideas and support them by quotations of other authors. In conclusion, you describe what you have achieved in your paper. Now that you have almost finished writing your paper, it is the time for writing references. Choose MLA or APA style and list your references alphabetically. Finally, write the acknowledgement, thanking the people who have assisted you during writing your paper.